Hello friends, today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is line spectra of hydrogen atom. It was studied by Bose. Generally Bose studied the spectra of hydrogen atom, hydrogen like spectra, that means elements, that atom containing single electron, studied by Bose. What are the spectral lines observed by the Bohr for the hydrogen atom? Let us discuss. It is observed when hydrogen element, when hydrogen gas will be excited, when hydrogen gas will be excited, the electrons of hydrogen will be excited. And it will be promoted, it will be shifted to higher cell as per the Bohr's model. When they absorb certain amount of energy, then it will be shifted to higher energy level. If you supply more energy again and again, then electron will be completely removed from the cell, from the atom. That is complete removal of electron. But only if you supply energy of atom to the atom to excite the electron, for the excitation of electron, then as per the Bohr's model, in the higher cell, electron cannot remain. It will jump to the lower cell by emitting energy. So hydrogen atom, during excitation of electron, it is observed 5 types of spectra, 5 types of series of radiation obtained from the hydrogen gas. What are these series? Series name is Lyman series. 5 types of series are obtained. Lyman series. Then second series is Balmer series. Third series is called Paschen series. Paschen. Fourth one is your bracket, and the fifth one is your Font series. These are the 5 types of spectral lines obtained from the hydrogen gas. When it will be excited, when the radiation, when it will be studied in spectrometer, that 5 types of radiation obtained from the hydrogen atom. Let us study for each radiation. For Lyman series, Lyman series generally in UV region. It is observed in UV region. That means all the radiation obtained from the Lyman series is UV. That means how the series is obtained, when electron will be jumped from higher energy level to fast cell. That is main characteristic of Lyman series is when electron comes down from higher energy level to fast energy level. That is Lyman series. All radiation will be in UV region, means ultraviolet region, that we cannot see. We cannot see the radiation. The radiation of hydrogen we cannot see, but it comes in UV region where it jumps from higher to fast. That means higher is N1 is 1, but N2 may be 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. If N1 is 1 is fixed, N2 may be 2, 3, 5, 4 like this. Maybe just you see 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, 6 to 1 like this. This is always for all radiation, for all transition, it gives ultraviolet light. What are the wavelength for fast transition? Let it be considered for fast transition. We know 1 by lambda already calculated is equal to RH into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. This is for hydrogen atom, Z square is 1. That's why we are not taking consider the Z value. So 1 by lambda is equal to RH, 1 by N1 square minus N2 square. This is the formula. If this is the formula, then what will be the value of first wavelength? For first wavelength of Lyman series. First wavelength means first radiation. That means 2 to 1. First radiation is 2 to 1. 2 to 1 means it is RH. Here 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. The result will be how much? How much is coming? 3 by 4 RH. Result will be 3 by 4 RH. This is the series of what? First transition of Lyman series. If it will be 1 by lambda infinity, what is the meaning of infinity? 1 by lambda infinity means if electron excited from infinity means higher, infinity to fast cell. If it's coming from infinity to fast cell, then infinity means second factor will be what? 0. So only RH 1 square. That is 1 by N1 square. That is RH. 1 square is 1. That is the infinity value. That is what? RH. That means 1 by lambda is equal to RH. 1 by lambda, that is maximum wavelength. That is maximum wavelength. Maximum wavelength means here for higher transition. For a higher transition, higher to fast excitation, here is jumping from higher to faster with the lambda values this much. Okay? Then for Balmer series, it is coming in visible region. And for Balmer series condition is N1 is 2, not for 1. Electron jumps from higher to 2, from second cell. When jump from higher to second cell, that is Balmer series. N1 is 2, but N2 is 3, 4, 5 like this. So what is the first wavelength? First wavelength of Balmer series? Balmer series wavelength will be RH. If you put this RH by how much? 1 by N1 square. That is 1 by 2 square minus first is 1 by 3 square. First transition. We are discussing first transition of each series. The N1 depends on N1 value and N2 value. Second transition 4 we will consider like this. So what is the value? Here result will be 5 by 9. RH 5 by 9. This is the first transition of Balmer series. This is the first transition of, this is very important. First transition, and this is your infinitive, that is from higher to lower. Here similarly for higher, 1 by lambda infinity will be RH 1 by how much? 2 square minus 1 by infinity. Result is infinity. Infinity means second cell will be infinity. So result is how much? RH by 4. RH by 4. How much coming? Infinity. RH by 4. This is also important. This is okay. This is first for Lyman series, and this is your second for infinity, and Balmer series first, and for infinity second. Similarly, your Pascal series, it is in which region? IR. You have to remember the region, which region radiation is forming. Radiation is emitted in which region. Balmer series, all radiation is visible. The visible light of hydrogen gas is Balmer series, and some invisible light is also produced. It is a which UV IR. These are not visible, but Balmer series is visible. When hydrogen is excited, the color light produced from hydrogen gas will be Balmer series. Pastel is 1 by lambda 1 for here for Pastel N1 is equal to 3 and N2 will be 4, 5, 6 higher. Then 1 by lambda 1 will be 1h RH 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square. How much coming? It will be RH how much? 7 by how much coming? 36. 7 by 36. Result will be how much? 7 by 144 perhaps it's coming. 40. Yeah. That is 3 square 9 and 16. 144. Result will be 144. Here 3 square by 4 9. That is 36 perhaps. It is 5 by 9 minus 4, 5 by 36. 5 by, that is 5 by 36. Just to calculate this one, how much? 9 and 4, 36. That is 36. Here 4, correct, 4, 36, then 44, 144. Because 4 square is 16, this is 9. 16 9 is 144. This is the first one. Then what is the value of lambda infinity value? Infinity value will be how much? Just to think how much? First one is RH, second is RH by 4, then RH by 9 will come. RH by 9. RH by 9. Okay? D, that is Balmer, Paschen, then bracket. Bracket here, that is also higher infrared, more than infrared. Here N1 is equal to 4 and N2 is equal to 5, 6, 7 like this. And here 1 by lambda 1, that is first transition. It will be RH, then 1 by 4 square minus 1 by 5 square. How much coming? RH, just to calculate. Here 25, then 16. 25, 16 means how much LCM? How much coming? How much coming? Result 400. So result will be that 9 by 400. 9 RH by 400. This is 1 by lambda 1. Okay? Then 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity will be how much? RH. Here 1 by 4 square minus 0. Then what is the answer? RH by 16. RH by 16. That is which one? Infinity. RH by 16. Correct? Then last, that is Font series. Font series here, this is also higher infrared. N1 is equal to your 5 and N2 is equal to how much? 6, 7, 8 like this. It will be just higher. If it is 5, then start from 6. Just remember serial number. Font series is 5th series means N1 5 like this. So what will the first wavelength? Lambda 1 RH, then 1 by 5 square minus 1 by 6 square. The result is how much? How much coming? your 11 by 900. Result is 11 by 900 RH. Okay? This is also required. Then what is the value of lambda infinity? Lambda infinity value will be RH into 1 by 5 square. That is how much? RH by 25. It is important. This value, all value, this value are important for calculation. Okay? And this one for each series. Then let us compare. Comparison. Let us compare. What comparison here? If you see, just two series you take. Just two series. The first wavelength, here first wavelength of Lyman. First wavelength of Lyman. Then 1 by lambda 1 is equal to 3 by 4 RH. Okay? Then 1 by lambda is equal to 3 by 4 RH. Okay? Then for Balmer series, lambda 1 is equal to how much? 5 by 36. Here, for two series, just to compare. Just to compare two series. Here, for 1 by lambda of, which one? Lambda of Lyman series, first tension series, is equal to how much? RH by Lyman first series. RH by how much? RH by 3 by 4. And for 1 by lambda Balmer first series is equal to how much keep coming? RH how much? 5 by 36. 5 by 36 as for the calculation. So if you think this, here what is the here wavelength just to see, compare the wavelength 1 by lambda 1, 1 by lambda 2. Then if you see, then here lambda 1 just if divide 1 by lambda L1 upon 1 by lambda B1. What does it mean? That means wavelength of first Lyman series first transition and first transition of Balmer series. This ratio result is how much coming? That is 3 by 4 into how much? 3 by 4 is coming. Then divided by 5 by 36. That means 36 by 5. Then how much? Here coming that 8 10 108 by 20 108 by 20 108 by 20. That means here result is how much? You need to compare that. What is lambda B1 is equal to lambda L1 into 108 by 20. That means what indicates? For first transition of Lyman and Balmer, if ratio we are calculating just ratio, lambda B1, lambda L1, Balmer series and Lyman series first transition. Balmer series is greater than Lyman series. Balmer series is greater than first transition. Lyman series is greater than which one? Balmer series. Balmer series, lambda B1 is equal to lambda L1 100 by 8. That means greater. Lambda B1 is greater than lambda L1. That means what? In between the series, that means Balmer is greater than Lyman. Balmer is greater than Lyman means it's like this. If you move from Lyman to bummer, then percent, then bracket, wavelength increases. That is conclusion. What conclusion? Lambda of Lyman series is less than, okay, lambda of bummer series is less than lambda of Lyman, bummer, then percent, less than lambda of bracket here less than lambda of Buffon. That means from Lyman series to Buffon series, wavelength increases for the first transition. Similar for second transition if you compare also. In between the transition, in between the series, lambda value increases. If lambda value increases, energy decreases. Just opposite. Lambda is increasing means energy decreasing. So energy order will be E of Lyman series greater than E of which one? Bummer series greater than of Lyman Bummer percent greater than your bracket Lyman Bummer bracket greater than Bummer percent, then which is bracket, then Buffon. Okay, so wavelength increases from Lyman to Buffon, but energy decreases in between the series comparison. But in the same series, if you compare, if you compare this one, if you compare in the same series, just you see, same series value if you compare, that it will be just opposite. What is the order? In the same series, your lambda 1, in the same series, not in between the series, same series, lambda 1 greater than lambda 2, greater than lambda 3, greater than lambda 4, like this. But energy, just opposite, E1 less than E2, less than E3, less than E4. If you remember one, then energy is opposite. In between the series, this is the order. This is the in between the series. In between the series, Lyman Bummer bracket, percent bracket and form. In between the series, in the same series order, just opposite. If you remember, lambda value decreases, but here lambda value increases. This is the order. Okay, this is the relation between wavelength of different series. Then how many spectral lines produced during excitation of electron? We will calculate one formula. Let it be number of spectral lines. Number of spectral lines. How many transition? That means number of transition. Number of transition, that is important formula. Number of transition. Remember direct formula that number of transition is equal to N2 minus N1 plus 1 4 into N2 minus N1 by 2. This is the formula of number of transition. For example, simple example, if this is the nucleus of hydrogen atom, suppose this is electron present in second, jump to second cell. This is the first cell, this is the second cell. Suppose electron present here. If electron present in the second cell, then how many transition is possible? if it is in the second cell. If it is present in second cell, then it jumps to the first cell. If you put this, generally your answer will be how much? 1. Answer will be 1. Second cell to first cell. Question is, if electron jumps from second cell to first cell, how many spectral lines, how many transition will be possible? Second to first. Here N2 is how much? 2 and N1 is 1. Because question is second to first. So N2 is 2, N1 is 1. If you put this, how much result? 2 minus 1 plus 1. Then 2 minus 1 by 2. What the result? So 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 by 2. That is 1. So 1 transition, only 1. This is 1. Only second to 1 means 1 transition. Just to calculate, if transition from 6 to 1, if electron present in 6th cell, 6th number cell, then comes to the ground cell 1, how many transition, how many spectral lines is produced? You apply the formula, N will be how much? 6 minus 1 plus 1. 4 into 6 minus 1, N2 minus 1 upon 2. How much the result? 6 minus 1, that is 6. 6 into 6 minus 1, 5 by 2. That is 30 by 2. That is how much? 15 spectral lines. If electron is excited already 6th cell, where it will be goes to 6th cell, then it returns back. Then during returning, how many number of spectral lines are produced? This is the formula. Very important for your competitive examination. That is N2 minus N1 plus 1 into N2 minus 1 by 2. This formula you can use for the number of spectral lines calculation. Okay? Okay, very good. Thank you.